It's a trek.
Undoubtedly, all that drive to come to Vibhuthi Falls is worth it.
Even though we got delayed by like 1 hour, 20 minutes or something, it was still worth it.
Welcome back.
Oh, stupid guys.
In our previous video, you saw us discovering the awe-inspiring Yana caves. Please do watch if you have missed it. However, in our eagerness and some experimental detours guided by Google Maps, our trip to Vibuthi Falls, approximately 42 kilometers from Gokarna, extended by an extra 60 kilometers due to missing signposts and blindly following Google Maps.
This one was the Hilur one. See, this is what he used to say. Take the Hilur road. Take the Hilur road.
Can you reach Yana from here?
Yeah.
2 किलोमीटर बाद याना
Yana यहीं दिख रहा था.
फिर वो उल्टे वाला राह पड़ना देखी उल्टे वाला राह पड़ना चाहिए था मनु
ये वाला राह पड़ना चाहिए था और जब बोर्ड दिख जाता तो ये वाला राह पड़ लेना चाहिए. साफ रोड
देखी साइड साइड ट्रक है रोड पर बहुत ज्यादा.
You're watching humhairahi YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. Situated in Ankola Taluk of Uttara Karnataka, Vibhuthi Falls, named after the resemblance of its hidden third drop of 3 streams of sacred ash, Vibhuthi, is a marvel carved amidst the limestone rocks near Yana. This 70-foot multi-tiered cascade is nestled amid limestone deposits and colossal rocks, offering a serene and picturesque spectacle. Legend has it that the waters flowing through Yana rocks are considered sacred ash, bestowing the falls with its unique name.
क्या हुआ था?
तो मेन नहीं लिया भी याना के जाना है तो पहले विभूति फॉल वाला रूट फॉलो करो. पहले विभूति
Hilur road you should catch. It's better road and you can see Yana and Vibuthi Falls together.
What is reminding you
We
of
did-
Nintendo Switch?
we did it now with different directions.
We didn't realize that this is how we were supposed to do it.
Yeah,
Now
double
We had to do double the distance.
time also and fuel also both thing. Yeah, fuel भी लगा बेटे. 60 kilometer again we are driving on same thing on 9 kilometers.
Yeah.
देखो रूबी तू याना and Vibuthi Falls.
Don't be fooled by Google. You have to download the maps because the internet connection
It's very patchy.
is not just patchy, it's really bad. Like you can't get any signal at the top at all. Of mountain.
एसेट कौन सा ये एसेट 143 दिखा रहा था. स्टेट हाईवे 143 है.
Hilur
रोड
Akhavi.
अब सवेरे आगे आते तो पहले यहाँ भी आ सकते थे ना.
सीधा चलते थे. हाँ सीधा चलते Vibuthi Falls.
NH63 दिखा रहा है अभी.
If you're enjoying this video, please do let us know by leaving a like and a comment. The roads leading to this natural wonder winds through untouched wilderness, revealing mystical vistas at every turn.
सिसरी रोड तो कुमटा टू सिसरी रोड वाला तो बेकार ही था अपने लिए ना. उस रोड पे जाना ही नहीं चाहिए.
चलो देख गया मन एक बार.
I can also
कपड़े ले आई तो हैं तेरे भी.
The verdant expanse of greenery and forest along the route serves as an enchanting prelude to the breathtaking marvel that awaits at the end of the trail.
Want के विभूति फॉल्स हम लोग.
और देखो waterfall है. अरे तो बीच में पार्किंग.
यहाँ तो रोड भी एकदम क्लोज से.
है.
रोड भी क्लोज से मतलब छोटे-छोटे.
And then
reach विभूति फॉल्स.
Dad, just park it here.
As we arrived at the parking area, the journey towards Vibhuthi Falls commenced. The entry fee, including parking, is a nominal 20 rupees, granting access to an approximate 1 kilometer walk leading to the Vibhuthi Falls. The trek pathway winds through diverse landscapes. At times it meanders through dense forest covers, while at others it traverses rugged and rocky terrain that can be steep and irregular in patches.
Yes, I am exhausted.
पानी पी लो थोड़ा.
Nah.
थोड़ी चलते हैं.
it's a trek to Vibuthi Falls. You can hear the sound of it.
जल्दी करो बेटे.
The moderate difficulty of the trek is balanced by the captivating vistas along the way, but one should remain attentive, understanding that conditions may shift due to weather or trail maintenance. Comfortable trekking shoes are essential, given the varying terrain, and make sure to pack enough water and snacks since there aren't any stalls en route.
I don't know if you can hear this. That's the sound of the fall, I guess. This is the local spices of Western Ghats.
Sorry.
It's the way to the Vibuthi Falls. Wow.
Upon reaching the falls, the crystal clear water invites visitors to immerse themselves into its beauty. Post-monsoon season is the best time to visit the falls at their majestic best, excluding grace and grandeur. But in summer, we had a pretty good experience. Nestled in a remote area amidst lush greenery, this captivating waterfall offers a spectacle of cascading water, creating a serene and revitalizing ambience. The falls, cascading down rocky cliffs into a clear pool below, stands as a testament of nature's magnificence, evoking a sense of awe at our humble presence within its grandeur. While many falls in India are more significant than Vibhuthi, few falls are as beautiful as this one, or we could say that it is the most magnificent waterfall in Western Ghats. The surrounding heaven, adorned with dense forests and vibrant flora, invites you to relish a refreshing swim or simply bask in the tranquil atmosphere. Visitors can enjoy a dip in the natural pools, offering a rejuvenating escape from the heat. Safety measures such as a safety jackets, a changing room though not well maintained, are present at the base of the falls. As we wade into the refreshing pool formed by the cascading waters, a rush of excitement courses through us. The cool mist arising from the falls kisses our skin, offering respite from the warmth of the trek and the surrounding ambience. The rejuvenating sensation of the water against our skin and the picturesque surrounding insight instill a profound sense of peace and awe.
Going back.
After our refreshing dip, we swiftly changed our attire and commenced our trek back towards the parking lot. The return trail presented numerous chances by impromptu snapshots and captivating video reels, and we seized every opportunity along the way to capture these moments in their full splendor.
Even though we got delayed by like 1 hour, 20 minutes or something, it was still worth it going to this area.
Which area?
What do you call it?
Vibhuthi Falls.
Yeah, Vibuthi Falls.
Yeah, the 72 kilometers is worth it. The 70 kilometer detour that we took to come here is worth it.
There are small shops offering quick bites and refreshments at the parking lot.
I really like it. It's made out of jamun. I like jamun.
Kokum juice, a local specialty known for its cooling properties, proves to be a popular choice among visitors. This drink is perfect for summers and prevents heat rashes on the body. Kokum is a fruit that is grown in Western Ghats. It is mostly sold in the semi-dry states where it looks like deep wine flowers. Vibhuthi Falls is a highly recommended destination if you are in Gokarna. Taking a dip in its waters offers an ephemeral yet profound connection with nature's splendors, truly an experience not to be missed.
We are going away from Vibuthi Falls and now we are going to
Beach.
Beach. And now you tell kids how you enjoyed?
Yeah, it was nice. I swam.
Okay.
I'm a fish.
What about the juice, beta?
Juice was nice.
Kokum juice. Which juice?
Kokum juice.
Kokum juice.
Is Jerky Road? It was okay. Okay, good trip.
It was worth it though, that's all we have to say.
Okay, beta, okay. Our roads are twisty, curvy, snake, noodles again start.
Drive from this new road, Hiluru Road, towards NH66 is scenic.
Scenic, huh? Full drive is scenic.
Gokarna is famous for its temples and stunning beaches, prompting our next exploration towards the coastal wonders. Steering our Kia Sonet, we set courses for the renowned Om and Kundle Beach. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Keep exploring, and as always, show your love and support by subscribing, liking and sharing our videos with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.